part 2 of our book restoration series. We are sure that many of our viewers are excited to find out what is going to happen next in our book restoration project. And so are we. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get going! Here is our short recap of what we did last time so everybody can keep up with this video. What we discussed previously was the actual condition of the book, and we pointed out the damage that we need to repair and what was our main goal. Unbinding is a serious process. You don't just simply start unbinding a book unless you understand how it was bound before. First, you have to know the original binding method approach, so you know exactly the proper technique on how to unbind it without harming the folio, or you might be creating more damage than repairing it. The book needs to be laid flat and relaxed to lessen the tension while doing the unbinding process, especially on big books like this one. The unbinding process requires patience and care. One small mistake in removing each folio may cause damage to the book, and we don't want that to happen. In this case, a previous repair was made on the book spine. New book cloth was attached to the text block to hold the weak spine. In this case, a previous repair was made on the book spine. New book cloth was attached to the text block to hold the weak spine. We now carefully undo that repair and closely examine the thread and make sure it is exposed and can be cut carefully to detach each folio. After removing each folio, we arrange it in exactly the same sequence as the way it was bound before. We have to make sure the sequence is the same and there is no mix-up in the pagination, especially for the pages with photos in between the text pages. This process normally takes 1 to 2 days to complete. Well, this will be all for now, and see you at the next and more exciting step of the restoration. Bye!